With Stella version 4.1.2, we've added in the ability to sync the behavior of the model graphs and tables with the select time range slider used on the results panel as well as in other places. And we do this quite simply by clicking on the sync model thing. And you can see, for example, in this model that nothing much happens interesting in the first little while. So we can kind of get rid of that. And then there's pretty constant there. So this is the period of change. You can see the original graphs are unchanged, but as soon as I click on Sync Model, the graphs now focus in on the area that we're interested in, as do the tables. And now if I move this back and forth, the table gets smaller and smaller, and we focus in a narrower and narrower area. If I then make a change to this so that the area we're focused in is no longer interesting, I can either unsync the model, in which case I can see all the behavior, or I can reset the control devices in order to see all of the behavior that is going on.